بعد رشد کنن دوباره از پایین
این الان باید تا حالا سبز میشه
بلند شده
Today we had a family gathering at my auntie's house for dinner, and she is an amazing cook, so we're in for a treat.
ما که رفتیم یادت میفته
الان داره میگه که دفعه بعد فردا خواستی غذا بخوری یادت باشه فرشش بخوری من بگیرم تو یادم چی درست
Smokehead Scotch.
موکل
These crazy metal ice cubes. There's some sprinkles on it.
Ellers kan du bare ta på stil. De som vil kan du ta på for dem. Sitter de bak kroken?
Hello.
دست دادم نذاری
میتونی تشکر کنین از مهمونی که اومده حالا تشکر بابک سلام
Is that you or me?
Oh yeah, but what is that?
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. All right. Every day for something new. Forever.
Twisting. Yeah, that was better. yeah, American. Yeah. All right. You don't have any shit to prove, basically. Og så blir det ikke spare folk. Altså, det motsatte.
Gone to another beauty spot. It's above, I don't know what mountain it is. My uncle knows. But yeah, there's a lake at the top here. Proper alpine forest up here. Ducks up here as well. Norway's a good place if you want to get desolated. Population is so low. If you want peace and quiet. Something in the water there, is it? It's a little like, I don't know, maybe like a bird watching little hut. You can sit down here. This is all in Norwegian, so don't know what it's saying. Any Norwegians out there know what this says? Hit me up in the comment section. But yeah, you sit down here. This is your view. And then on the other side of that little hut is just literally forest.
نیافته تو آب کجا ازا
Wow, what a view. Check that. Some sort of cafe, restaurant right at the top here, but I think it's under construction. And then there's like a kind of an old Indian Apache type tent. Oh yeah, you can see the lake from up here. Look at that. And the fjord down there, yeah? pasta making with barbecue.
This is
I didn't know your name was Tony.
Tony Montana.
Tony Montana.
No. You know, we do good stuff.
Sorry. Sienna. Sorry. Green. Oh,
I didn't know you were a chef.
Yes, mommy, come on. 4 plus.
Yes, the next, the other one is better.
Which one?
For
What, upstairs?
pappa ikke bruk skjeen mitt.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please make sure you like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And join us in the next video where we'll be going across the border to Sweden for a little day trip.